About 1.7 billion threats have been identified. That means now those threats are bound to increase in numbers, because the more you digitize, the more you bring your services on board or on the digital platforms, the more the threats increase and the more the threats continue changing. So I think with that increasing threats, we need to have in place robust systems, mechanisms, and tools that protect our data, or government data for that matter, so that the government information as well as the citizens of this country are both protected from cyber crimes and cyber attacks and cyber threats. The government is in the process of laying 100,000 kilometers of fiber optic within the government of Kenya, within the boundaries of the Republic of Kenya. Out of that, so far, I think 18,000 kilometers of fiber optic has already been laid. And as far as the onboarding of government services is concerned, about 17,000 government services have already been onboarded, and they can be accessed online. And quite a number of digital hubs have been put up across the country, as well as the digital hotspots and Wi-Fi's. So the government is in the process of achieving. I think by 2027, we'll have achieved the targets within the PETA manifesto. With the digitization or the digitalization of government services comes with it the aspect of enlightening both the citizens and the government employees as well. So the digital aspect of digital literacy, capacity building, training, it is in the manifesto of the Kenya Kwanza government, and it's in the plan.